I'll be showing you how to delete contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So it's very simple. All you have to do is go into the contacts app and you'll see a list of all your contacts. So go ahead and select one of the contacts you want to delete. So for instance, if I want to delete this contact, all I have to do is long press on the contact and you should see a check mark on the left side of that contact. Now, if I want to delete more than one contact, I can just now, when one is selected, I can go selecting other contacts I might want to delete. So I can select that one, and I can go selecting as many contacts as I want. Just keep selecting contacts until you're satisfied with the number of contacts, until you've selected all the contacts you want to delete, okay? And then at the top, you should see the number of contacts you have selected. So currently I have selected 8. And if I want to delete those, I just tap on delete. And then it's going to ask this pop-up window, do I want to move 8 contacts to the recycle bin? And all I have to do is tap on move to recycle bin. Now, if you also want to move the contacts linked to the contact you selected to recycle bin, then you can just select that and then tap on move to recycle bin, and those contacts are now deleted. It really is as simple as that. Now, if you want to delete all your contacts at once, then once again, just go to these 3 dots, to select edit, and then select all. So just tap on this all check mark, and that's going to select all your contacts. And then now you can tap on delete all. It's going to ask you, do you want to move all your contacts to the recycle bin? Just tap on move to recycle bin, and that's going to delete all your contacts. Now, obviously, I don't want to do that, so I'll just tap on cancel. But that is basically how to delete contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.